Hey, how you doing, ladies and gentlemen, man? It's your guy, Jesus Hawthorne. Some people know me by Mr. M-U-B, man, Mr. Make You Better, man, because all I do is provide financial education along with an opportunity that would do nothing but make you better. If you're watching this video, it's 9 times out of 10, you went on and hit that link, the Make You Better Financial Group, and I'm proud to say that I'm the founder of that group. So what has happened was back in June 2014, I got introduced to a very powerful company that was teaching some financial strategies along with giving you all the tools and all the resources and the mentorship for you to literally become rich by using strategy over sales. Now, since I've been applying these strategies part-time, because please believe I am an active duty service member. I'm active duty Army. So in about 5-6 year time period, I've been able to cash flow over $180,000. Now, majority of that income was actually being made by applying strategies and not sales. And what's so powerful about that, anybody can use a good strategy. You know, if you can run the play, as we like to call it. Most people aren't good at sales. So this is an opportunity for an average person to learn some very vital information that will literally make them become rich by default. Now, the crazy part is majority of this information isn't being taught in schools. And when I learned that, man, it absolutely blew my mind. And when I started applying these strategies and teaching and sharing the exact same strategies along with an opportunity with others, it has been a great benefit for me. So on this next video, on the next link, I want you to click the link below. On the next video, it's going to give you a breakdown on what this company is and what these strategies are all about and why it only makes sense for you to join. All right, man. So go ahead, click the video below.